till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone till you find your way back home. Find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
This is Frank Lampard. This is Frank Lampard. Of course, by face he doesn't look Frank Lampard, but in the streets of Italy he is now. He has just come up with getting an offer for Piemonte Calcio. He does not have anything, being in Italy, of course, but he has a very good car. Frank was once in an icon for England. He knew what football he played. But today he has to make a decision to be a manager of one of the two teams in the world. One is Chelsea, one is Piemonte Calcio. I know Chelsea was a very former club, but Piemonte Calcio wasn't also a very bad job for him. And Frank, hello Frank. And Frank doesn't know how to drive as well. See, it's a Woodter student. Of course, he wanted to take up the London Athletic job or Chelsea job, but he did not wanna, because he saw some faith in Piemonte Calcio with a student, having Grillo scoring a lot of goals during these days. And Frank just, I don't know what he is doing during these days. He has a decision. He literally had a decision for himself to choose Piemonte Calcio, or to choose his own job of Chelsea and leading them to glory. Of course, Frank wants to take up a job of Chelsea, but he needs some time to think. Finally, after some time, he thinks so long that yes, he wants to take the job of Piemonte Calcio. He wants to lead them to glory. He wants Ronaldo to lead this team to glory. Yes, he wants to do. So he meets his chairman. He meets his chairman. And he says that you should be. Oops. So he wants to go somewhere. And now he's got the job offer of Piemonte Calcio. Now he goes back to his car. Okay. We will do this. We have to drop to the point, but we are not certainly. Oh, shit. And Frank uncertainly does not want to do anything of it. And he is just doing all the stuff he wants. And he just wants peace in this. And I don't know what to do now. Frank has just. Wait a minute. I'm not stealing the car. I'm sorry. Frank just wants something to think about. And then how he's gonna manage up Piemonte Calcio. How he's gonna do anything other than managing Piemonte. He wants justice, that he is the main icon of England. Beating Shearer, beating George Best, and beating all of the icons of England. He just wants to be the best. Can he show his power? By being the best manager in the world. Let's see. Training is up next. With some of our youth players only, they're just gonna score up. What a shot. I know this is FIFA Mobile, but in that game, it doesn't bring up a little training of something of training, but I had to bring a little bit of training into this game. And training is done for boys. Let's head on. So, we're back. And now, we of course have to check the results. I just went along very good games. And we won against Sporting Firenze or Florentina. 2-0 win. And Santos got some. And he also sent a scout to Portugal. And he will come with some results over the month of September. And not a match for us today. And then we got our Continental Cup game as well. Now today is the match. Hopefully we should win this one. Otherwise it will be we'll be in big trouble. And now I think so. Oops. एक मिनट. तुम चाहते क्यों हो यार? तुम एक साइड स्क्रीन में नहीं रह सकते हो. So sorry guys for that ad. हमेशा इसके साथ होता है, पर we're back in this game. First Continental Cup game. Hopefully we should win this one because it is Galatasaray. No shots, no cards, and nothing. Not in the first 30 minutes. Anything has happened. It's just a boring game. Nothing's happened. Please God. Please, just let us score this one. Oh shit. We might be losing this one. We literally might be losing this one. Shit. Oh! 1-1. Whoa. We just tied that game, guys. Against Juventus. और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी जाके कर लो. And in the Serie A, things are looking good as we're in the 5th place, and most probably we should be winning games by now. Now we have a game on 15th, and which is not that important, but yeah, we will continue. Let's continue. Now we have a match, guys, against Sassuolo. As you know, guys, last episode we got David De Gea, which is who is oops. These ads, man. Sorry, guys, these ads just tear up everything. And guys, hope you liked this storyline of Frank Lampard. I know he's going through tough times of his life by not becoming a Chelsea, but this is the first time of my own career that I am doing a storyline. Hope you enjoy. And Santos scores like another game, and Kirfin Bird gets Nehru card. We should be winning it 1-0, of course. Oh, come on, guys. It's a draw against Sassuolo. Yes, we have dropped up to 6th position, which is really bad. We should at least be in the top 5 as well, but let's check up the Continental Cup, and we are 2nd, which is good, but Krasnodar have won the last game because of Glasgow. Oh, Zimmerman injured in training. What has happened to Zimmerman? Oh, he is not missing any match. It's okay. गाइज आज के एपिसोड के लिए इतना ही. एक और स्टोरी लाइन होगी फ्रैंक लैम्पार्ड के बारे में अभी, तो जाके देख लो अभी. आफ्टर द टफ मैच ऑफ सासुओलो, Frank is just running about the city, just knowing whatever happens to him. He is just in this cool mood, and once Piemonte Calcio, Juventus, in some time, in some deed. Yeah, he has a bike, but he has just lost it, and his car is also lost. He is just running about to find that. Got a news from one of his friends, teammates, so he has to, of course, take one of somebody's car to get him away, to get a car. He is just roaming about the streets, not about getting a bike. He has to get a bike for himself. Frank doesn't know how to drive a bike, so he's leaving it. He's just injured. He just injured himself. Frank. Oh shit. Somebody is killing me. And we got money. We got money by killing him. Let's go. I know Frank Lampard doesn't do this while in his real life, but he has to do something for a living. He is new all the way in Italy. He has to do something in order to earn. Of course, he's getting money from the Piemonte Calcio, but he needs something to do for himself. He's just come here to sit and collect money. He's just here to explore Italy and lead Piemonte Calcio to the victory. That's it for today, guys. अगर आज का एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को. Until next time, peace.